So in this video, I'm going to help you reset your lost Android phone that you have your Gmail signed in on it. So you can see here, this is a Google account manager here. So let's say your mobile phone is missing and you have this mail signed in on a laptop and then on a mobile phone, but you have some important files on it that you don't want any third party to get access to it. So from here, you can reset the phone automatically without you even having access to the mobile phone. The only thing is this Gmail has to be signed in on the phone. So now let me show you guys how to go about it. So now let's move to security here. Good, and let's just scroll down here, and then you can see the devices have signed this email on it. So here you can see I've signed in on LG G6. So now let me tap on the LG G6. This is a tutorial mobile phone of mine. So normal, you can see the location is here, and I've gotten a notification on the mobile phone, but then I can't show it on the screen. So you can see here, play the sound, that's finding the device. But then let's factory reset it. That's the main aim of this video. So we tap on the factory reset, and here they are saying all data will be erased permanently from the LG G6. After the reset, your location won't be found on Find My Device, and when the device is offline, the erasing will begin when the device goes online, so something like that. So if you want to proceed to erase everything on this mobile, you proceed on tapping next. I'm not going to tap next because I think I have some information on there I want to keep. But then if you want to reset it, you have some files that you don't want any third party to get access to it. You tap on the reset and you're good to go. Every information on that mobile phone is going to be factory reset. So if the person keeps the mobile phone, you're not even going to get access to your files, documents, pictures and videos you have of yourself. So yeah, that's it for how you can factory reset your mobile phone using Google Account Manager. So if you are new here, kindly do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. And if you are old here too, I would say thank you for visiting me once again. So that's it for the video. Peace.